What's good, YouTube? It's a typical YouTuber doing typical YouTube shit, and I am back with another reaction video. And today we got Yibo cooking versus eating. A lot of you guys were in the comments telling me that Yibo can't cook, so we're gonna be in for a joyride today. But as you can see, also it is a 2-for-1, so we got 2 videos in this one. So hey, before we even get into it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe. Whoop, run my numbers up, man. Run them up like you're on the treadmill. Run them up like you're on track and field. You feel me? And don't forget to click the link in the description, which is going to take you over to the Facebook page where you can see exclusive content and videos that have been taken off my page. So if you've seen them, you can go rewatch them. If you haven't, go ahead and go see stuff that you haven't seen before. But we about to get into this. I'm excited. I'm ready to laugh. So one, I'm not sure if this is gonna have subtitles. If it do, you can obviously tell. I'm gonna be small, big, you know. Nice slow motion shot for the ladies in the picture. There y'all go. Alright. How you don't know how to turn this stuff? Alright, never mind, hold on. There's a lot of knobs. I can it's a lot of knobs, you know. First of all, I'm with you, Yibo. I personally would be confused too. Look how many, there's about 17,000 knobs on there. So how do you turn it on? They're gonna stop playing with you, bro. Look at that. Make sure y'all drink y'all water. Yeah. Okay. Alright, no one told him chicken don't always feel the best. Raw chicken.
Wow, 太吓人了.
So he obviously doesn't want to touch the chicken. It's in his face. Oh, all the talents in the world, and that's just the one you don't got. That's a shame.
Yeah, for sure.
Is it expired? Why? Mom, have you ever sniffed sauce before you put it on something? Usually if you sniff something, it's expired, right? Okay, so yeah. Have y'all I'd smell it like if it's hot or like sweet or something, but I'm not just going to smell it.
房间这个麻油是吧？是不够大。
Okay, washing the chicken. Okay.
Wow.
Like, you know, there was a video I watched. It was like when you move on your own, and the dude called his mom, and his mom said massage the chicken, and he was giving the chicken a massage with olive oil. Someone pray for the boy.
Wow.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Such an innocent boy. Oh. See, this is a perfect example. When girls think guys be out cheating, this is what they do. Okay.
啊，哇，哎呀，
The sound effect.
哇，哎呀，哇，我受不了。
What is the struggle with the chicken?
它已经沸腾了，沸腾了，
它非常关小
水淤出
火，
来了。
关到最小。
这个好像没有办法关小火哎，没有办法关。我太难了，太难。
Now y'all remember I said that when Yibo skateboards on set, he needs insurance. We don't need him getting hurt on set and thing. He just gonna need insurance when he cook too, cause I feel unsafe for him while he's cooking. Y'all just let him cook by himself. Y'all some bullies. Y'all knew what y'all was doing. No. Look at him struggling.
拌匀它。
Oh.
好，就用这个把手给它抓在那个放在中间啊，整堆堆起来，剩下的口水鸡的酱全部给它淋在那个鸡肉表面，全部淋下去。芝麻跟那个花生各来一勺，撒在再撒在面上。香菜叶抓个5、6片撒在表面。
Can anyone tell me what this is? Look like cucumbers, some leaves, or I forgot what type of leaves though, and some ham and sesame seeds. Okay, he's making noodles.
行了，就这吧。我喜欢吃的拍黄瓜，做好了。
应该还行吧？
应该。
你尝尝。
对
一波你先尝一下，酸不酸？
已经，你看，
He don't look like he's satisfied with it.
哎，不错，真的，真的还行。
All that struggle, it better taste great. No one cared to help you. It better taste great.
让我尝一下吧，一波有种视死如归的感觉啊！下就先吃一口，我告诉你，其实真的味道还可以，一定的，相信我。
怎么都得说还行吧？你看看自个儿都藏不住了，完了，忍不了。
一波根本没有味觉，怎么样？
我觉得，是有点，是有点。
Okay, so we finally get to see him
外
eat.
酥里嫩，哎，要不要给你搁点醋淋？
I can't eat nothing with the head still on it. It's weird. It's not weird. I just personally wouldn't eat anything with the head still.
多少看看。哇，
这个
酸吗？
I like food, and it's obviously he loves. No, I love food. He loves food.
海螺或者是那个大白菜那个好吃，海螺。
好，首先第一个接受惩罚的是我们的一博。
Food is amazing. Whoever made food, thank you so much. I like to eat. He loves to eat. Well, yeah, he loves to eat. It doesn't seem like he's mentally going through it like he is when he's cooking.
我们练的臭豆腐外加。
王一博，你说不想吃啊？
那种那个人还不一样，
自个儿别样的。
哦，
第三鲜，
哎，今天有什么区
一
别？
人吃一口，剩下的都是哇，知道吗？
I want to get paid to eat. That would be a dope job. Just like go to work, eat, get paid for it. Even though he doing other stuff, but technically he got paid to eat. Yep. Dream job.
给你打碎了都，我给你碎了，胳膊都碎了。大碎哥，怎么样？碎哥，碎哥，好香。
一，好，各位都回到自己座位。
是吧？叫王一博怎么吃啊？啊！一博，你看，来，上线了。
What did he eat?
还好吗？
If y'all seen that, let me know what he, ate. Comment down. Drop them gems. Y'all always dropping gems on me. So go ahead and comment what he ate. I'm in the comment section with y'all. And also, while I'm here, comment, like, and subscribe.
炸了吧？
先吃菜，跟我完全不一样。你先吃什么呀？我肯定拿肉就我肯定吃。
If you don't feel like that when you eat something, throw it away.
除夕了，最重要好像
天然酱油，真的，你看这几个。馅儿大皮薄，那个嫂子好。其实你看吃个饭，一帮漂亮姑娘看着你吃，哇，这是一种享受啊！
来，一博代表我们天津兄弟，来，见识这位了，怎么样？那个老张家，哎，你这兔子
doesn't hesitate. Others reacting to Yibo's correct. Okay. Totem doesn't even look edible.
哎呦喂，一定是酸到了。王一博，你放了多少醋？一揭盖的时候酸味扑鼻。
Gotta let me know what he said, people.
已经到哭
来了，有的来吃吧，真是。你们这是，你看到没有？看到没有？
Y'all gonna stop doing him like that. He tried his best. I want to see y'all cook something. Go ahead. Do that. Do that. Y'all cook. Watch him spit it out. And then that'll be on Yibo's Savage Moments. Y'all gonna stop hating. I bet that tasted great. So much struggle. Stop playing with him. But hey, like I said, this is a 2-for-1 video, so we got another one coming, you feel me? But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe. Ooh, run my numbers up, man. Run them up. And also, don't forget to click the link in the bio. Not bio. I don't know what social media I'm on. The description, you know what I mean. Go ahead and click that. It'll take you over to the Facebook, Kenshi Lebowski Reaction. You can see exclusive content that's not on here, and things have been taken down. So go ahead and check that out. Go ahead and click it. Just click it. Whoa, you guys stayed. Thank you. I appreciate y'all. Here's y'all crown. Y'all staying. Y'all rocking with me, eh? So today we got BouBoo talking about Yibo. This video right here was requested by, hopefully I don't butcher nobody's name, Little Princess. I don't know how I would butcher that, but Little Princess, shout out to you. Here's your crown. You told me to check this video out, so that's what we're here to do today. But before we even do that, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe. Whoop. Run my numbers up, man. Run them up. Run them up like you're on a treadmill. Run them up like you're on track and field. You feel me? And we about to hop into the video. I'm pretty sure that BouBoo is saying some positive things about his captain because they on the same team. So let's see what he got to say about his skills and all that.
Yibo won that, yeah.
Of course, Zhang Yixin is very good too. Is older than Jackson Yang, Hong Chai, and Song Han Yang is very good too. But
Yes, Yibo is a really phenomenal dancer. I'm not gonna lie, it shook me when I first seen it, because not a lot of idols know how to dance like that without being choreographed or looking just like they took a move or two off of YouTube. But it's cool to see that Yibo's actually a street dancer. He knows hits, he knows musicality, control, and things like that. So, and the fact that he knows who BouBoo is, that's even cooler, because a lot of people will not give street dancers credit.
Yeah, it was still my favorite because I think he's one of the. I think he's cool and he know about dance. It's good to talk with someone who knows about dance. So
Another thing that shocked me too, that how well he knows about dance, the culture, the dancers, the styles, and all of that. Like I said, a lot of times people don't know nothing. They just know what they see between whip and nay. That's it, maybe a pop and lock. And then usually they be playing with that. So Yibo doesn't play, and it's so cool to see that. But he's been doing this for so long, so don't know why he would play with it. Like, he's been in battles and all that.
觉得义国队长在队长开会的时候表现怎么样？
I was really impressed because I wasn't know he was dance like that, so I was like, oh, it's good. So I think he's not just someone trying to dance, he's a dancer. So,
It just threw me off. Out of all clips they could have used of Yibo dancing, right? He was doing power moves. Y'all had him doing the Wu-Tang.
Very surprised.
Surprise.
Because many times you can find some idol, they can dance, they can sing, so it's cool. But I think he's kind of idol.
Just what I was saying.
He is a dancer. He don't try to dance. He is a dancer. So I think he's very impressed because he can understand dancer. He can understand their feeling. He can understand what dancer think. And I think it's why he's gonna be the one more close to the.
Why is the short version? I just cut my man's off while I was talking, y'all. But no, I get what he's saying. You know, he doesn't try to dance. He is a dancer. Everything he does is through a dancer's mind state, whether how they move, their transitions and all that. It's not like it's BS, because a lot of people and idols BS their dancing. I'm sorry, but it's true. But yeah, I completely agree with what he's saying. Yibo is a phenomenal dancer. Like I said, caught me off guard on how well of a dancer he is, and so hey. Good stuff. I completely agree with BouBoo and what he was saying. So, hey, let me know what y'all think. Comment down below. Like I said, I'm in the comment section with y'all all the time, chit-chatting and chopping it up, so that we can talk more. If you got any more videos like this, go ahead and link them down below. You know, I'll click and react. But, hey, I'm about to get out of here. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe. And, whoop, run my numbers up, man. Run them up. And also click the link in the description. Go ahead, like and follow the Facebook page where you can see exclusive content and content that's been taken down. If you want to rewatch it or see things you haven't, go ahead and click that link and like and follow. But like I always say, much love, much happiness, and blessings.